Good morning, guys, and this is our last destination of our 4-day road trip up in the Sierra, man. And gosh, how it humbles you out here. I freaking love it here. So beautiful, so peaceful. The vibe, the energy that comes from out here is just insane. But today we are at the Owens River, if you can see behind me, and yes, we are fly fishing still. We've been on a 4-day fly fishing adventure. Hiking in the mountains. It's been insane, dude. It's just been insane, and I'm super pumped to get out here right now. Owens River, guys. Oh, if you guys are new to this channel, please do me a favor and please consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me. If you like today's content, go ahead, hit that thumbs up. Don't be shy to leave a message below and let me know how you guys felt about this whole episode. And plenty more trout fishing to come, plenty more adventures to come. Stay tuned, guys. Let's go get geared up, get our waders on, and start casting. All right, guys, let's make this happen, Captain. Oh yeah, guys, the Owens River is another one that's been on my bucket list forever. So excited to get out here. We're gonna start off the morning on the dry flat and see how it goes. Wow, dude, I cannot believe I'm actually here fishing. What a crazy adventure this was for me. The Eastern Sierra, man. Oh, there's still so much to like. There's still so many lakes and rivers out here, and it's insane, man. What an experience, to say the least. Oh, just lost one. Just lost one. Oh, not a blow up. It's just a tug. I didn't see him pick up on it, but I couldn't see my fly that well either. Let's see if we could try to get him again. There it is. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Little guy. Is that a brown?
Yes.
What? Is that a wild brown?
Yes.
No way.
Yes.
Why, my first wild trout, isn't it? So we got my first wild trout and we got my PB for a rainbow.
Yeah.
Look how beautiful.
Go back to your home, bro. Go the other way, Meatloaf. There you go. Way to go, bro.
Yeah, man. My first brown trout on the fly. Amazing. Let's get on him. I felt the first tug. I cast back at the same exact spot and he nailed it.
Nice, man.
Hell yeah, man. My first wild trout, brown trout. Let's try to see if we can get, oh yeah, see right in here. I'm keeping it very close to these toolies here and kind of letting it drift like right on the side of it. Not doing much with the bait besides just putting it where I want it. It's so sick, dude. So sick. Got him. Got him. This guy's jumping like crazy. This guy's jumping like crazy. Oh, heck yeah. Yeah, keep him in the water. Wow. Wow, dude. Letting them drift the whole entire time along these weeds. That's all I'm doing. Wow, dude. Wow, bro. I had the feeling today. I had the feeling that it was going to be a epic morning. Guys, this is wild trout. Wild trout. Wow, bro.
Beautiful fish.
One thing what I do learn watching trout made videos are safe releases. Wow.
Oh, beautiful fish.
Look at the colors, guys. Look at those beautiful colors. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Good fish, Billy.
That one he blew up on.
Did he?
Yeah. There you go.
There he goes.
Guys, I can't believe that I'm actually out here in the Eastern Sierra fishing all these crazy lakes and these rivers, and it's just on the fly rod too, guys. I mean, I am new to fly fishing, guys, so if you guys have any tips for me, please comment below and let me know. I used my fly rod once before this for some bass that we had an epic day, and if you guys have not seen that video, go ahead and check it out. I'll even leave the link down in the bottom of the description so you guys can check out that bass action on the Topwater popper. But today we're just out here and it's our last final day, guys, and I hate to say, like, I am sad to leave. I'm excited to go back home and see my girl and my dog. I miss them a lot, obviously, but this is something that I can definitely get used to, and I told Mike whenever he comes out this way to hit me up, let me know that he's coming, so then we can go ahead and pack this up and roll out and come back out here again. If you guys do like this kind of content and this is something that you guys want to see again, maybe some more fly fishing, you guys know that this is an outdoors channel. So I just want to thank everyone for watching. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me. Hit that notification bell to make sure you guys get a notification whenever I do upload my videos. Thank you all so much to my subscribers. Thank you. If you guys are new to this channel, thank you very much. And this is the end of this trip at the Eastern Sierra.